Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking us the relationship R on the set this is. So, you have to name this relationship. So, first we have reflexive relation. Reflexive relation, then we have symmetric, and then we have transitive. So, you have to judge this. You know that every A comma A should be there. Symmetric, if A comma B is there, then B comma A should be there. If A comma B and B comma C is there, then A comma C should be there. Correct, na? So first focus on every A comma A. So you know that in set A we have 1, 2, 3. So 1 comma 1 is there, yes. 2 comma 2 is there, yes. 3 comma 3 is there, yes. This means given relationship is reflexive for sure. Now focus on symmetric. If A comma B is there, we should have B comma A. So if 1 comma 1 is there, you should have 1 comma 1, it is there. 1 comma 2 comma 2, so you should have 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 is all this only. 3 comma 3, you need 3 comma 3, it is there. You have 1 comma 2, so you need 2 comma 1 which is missing. So this is not symmetric. Any one of it does not follow, na? It is not symmetric. Now think about transitive. Transitive means A comma B, B comma C, then A comma C. So if 1 comma 1 is there, you will focus on the element which will start from 1. So this. So if 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, so you need 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is itself. So okay. Now 1 comma 3, so you need 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is there. Okay. Now you will focus on 2 comma 2. So you will focus on the elements which will start from 2. So 2 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3. So you need 2 comma 3. So it is okay. Now done. Now you have to 3 3 3 3 3. So you will focus on the elements which starts with 3. So there is no such element which starts with 3. So this means given relationship is transitive. If this is present and this is present, then you should have this. Okay, then you will call it as transitive relation. Suppose this is present and this is absent. So no need to talk to this. Okay, na? So if first two condition is true, then you can talk about the third thing. If any one of the first two conditions violates, no need to worry about the other case. So given relationship is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.